Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on graphics in Basic R. In this tutorial, we are going to create the box plot chart, which is also called box whisker chart using RStudio. Box plots are useful in visualizing simple to even complex data which have multiple samples. These plots display the differences between the samples using the 5-point summary statistics. When we say 5-point summary statistics, we mean the minimum value, the first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum value of the data. Box plots are also useful in determining the outliers present on the data. Let's see the data on the yearly salaries in thousands of 80 employees of 4 different companies. So we have this data, and this data is in data frame structure. So let's create our data and let's read our data. Okay. Now we can create the box plot chart using the boxplot function. So let's create our box plot chart. Okay, so this is the box plot for our data. So this box is for company 1, this is for company 2, company 3, and this is for company 4. And if you see any box plot, for example this one, this first box plot, and this is the minimum value of the data for company 1. This is the first quartile, this is median of the data, this gives the third quartile, and this is the maximum value of the data, and this applies to all of the box plots. Better, you can get the you can use the summary function to get actually what are these values for a minimum, maximum, or first quartile, third quartile, etc. So let's get that values using the summary function. Okay, so we get all the values, the 5-point summary values and actual values, and also we get the mean for all of the companies. So for first box, which is for company 1, and the minimum value is 46, the first quartile is 69.25, and the median is 71.5, and so on. So so we have successfully created a box plot from our data. Now let's add title and label the axes of the box plot. We can add a title using the option main, and xlab and ylab here for labeling the axes. So let's execute this code. Okay, so we have title and x and y axes labeled. We can add the colors to the box plot using the option col. At this time I want to give the gray color to the boxes, so I'll just put gray to the option col. Okay, so we have gray boxes. We can plot a horizontal box plot using the option horizontal equals to true. So every other line of codes here are same, except we have added one more option called horizontal, and we set that parameter to true. So let's run this line of code. Okay, so we have horizontal box plot this time. Every statistics and every parameters are same, except that we have horizontal box plot. Now even we can play around and plot notched box plot. For that we will set a option called notch to true. So let's do that. Let's set our notch option to true and see our notched box plot. That's all for box plot. So in this tutorial we created the box plots and also set the essential parameters and also see how horizontal box plots are created, and also how notched box plots are created. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I can't wait to see you guys in next video.